Hi, I'm Brian Johnson with Innovative Tools, and I'm here today with Troy, and we're going to talk a little bit about the ScanGrip MultiMatch lights. This one is the MultiMatch 3, and this one is the MultiMatch 8, and Troy's going to kind of tell you some of the features that these lights have.
Right, so the difference between these two here, this is 3,000 lumen max. This is, obviously the 8 would have 8,000 lumen. What is really nice about these lights, these are color rendering, number one, so you can choose your warmth of color anywhere from 2,500 CRI to 65, so warm to light. On top of that, they are Bluetooth compatible as well, so you can actually connect it to your phone, and you can control all those options with your phone. So on the very back side of it here, you'll have intensity, so you can go from low intensity to high as far as how much power goes out. The color temperature from 25 to 65, and then down here you have an hour meter. So this will kind of tell you how long it's going to run at that current setting. So if you set it for 100% of the power, it'll tell you down below it's going to run for an hour before it runs out of battery life. Again, it's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It'll come with a charger. They both do. Outside of that, what's also nice about these lights is it's not just for automotive, color matching, whatever else. They're a fantastic work light. They're pretty much indestructible. You can spray them down with a hose. You can get them wet. They're pretty much waterproof. Again, if you're doing home interior painting, if you're doing any other kind of place where you need a work lamp that's going to be really indestructible and give you a nice light to work underneath, this is your choice. Again, being that you can adjust the color level of the lights, so the warmth, it's a lot easier to work with under 4,500 Kelvin, a warmer light, than it is a really bright light. That's kind of what the idea of having these, nice work lights that these ones really are. They're just so different than what's out there. It's just not blasting you full of light. The color is really, really important for longevity of working on a project. But again, they kind of came out with the impact on the collision industry, matching color. They've just kind of blossomed into something much larger than that. Just a great all-around work light, probably the best on the market.
Yeah, I know we sell quite a few of these. And I know, like, the detailers, they like it. They'll put these on
right.
a tripod paint stand up high, and then they'll look at the hood and they'll adjust the light from their phone so they can get the perfect light, say they're buffing out a car. So
right.
These are great lights.
Yeah, the detail market is all over these things, and we've been selling these things at SEMA for, 5 years now?
Yeah.
This is the latest rendering of it. Everybody's always waiting to see the new one and what we have new. Again, we've never been disappointed on the reviews of these lights, right from the very beginning to the original red one to this one here with all the options. It is just an incredible light, and like I said, I think you'd be really satisfied with it.
Yeah, that's the ScanGrip MultiMatch lights.